In today's video, I will walk you through how to use secrets on Replit. Secrets on Replit provide a secure place to store sensitive information your project needs, such as API keys, authentication tokens, and database connection strings. Instead of placing those values directly into your project files where they could be exposed, you can store them as secrets so they remain encrypted and hidden while you work. Start by opening your Replit app. At the top of the workspace, you'll see a row of tabs for different tools. Click the plus icon to add a new tab, then choose Secrets from the list. This opens the Secrets panel for your current project, allowing you to manage sensitive values separately for that project. Inside the Secrets panel, you'll see two main fields. The field on the left is where you enter the name of the secret. This should be a clear and recognizable label. The field on the right is where you enter the secret value. The value is automatically masked, so the full content isn't displayed on the screen while you're working. To create a new secret, click the New Secret button in the upper right corner of the panel. A form will appear where you can enter both the name and the value for the secret. Type a name that is easy to recognize later. Many people use short uppercase names with underscores to keep everything consistent and organized. After entering the name, carefully paste or type the secret value into the value field. Make sure there are no extra spaces at the beginning or end of the value. And don't add extra characters such as quotation marks. The value should match exactly what was provided by the service you're using. Once everything looks correct, click Add. Your new secret will appear in the list. You'll see the secret name on the left, while the value remains hidden on the right. If you've added several secrets, this list makes it easy to confirm that each one has been added without displaying the actual values. If you need to review your secrets later, you can return to this panel at any time to check and manage your existing entries. To keep everything organized, use consistent and readable names so it's easy to identify each secret. Avoid sharing screenshots of the secrets panel, even though the values are hidden. If one of your secret values is ever exposed somewhere else, replace it with a new value from the original service and update it here. That's all there is to it. Add the Secrets tab, create a new secret, enter the name and value, then click Add. Your secrets will be stored securely and kept separate from your project files while you continue working. Thank you for watching.